Scrat felt excited as he was going to plant his acorn. He chose an area. Scrat thought that was an excellent place and dug a pit. The squirrel smelled something. What was that? Eventually, Scrat found an appropriate place for his acorn. He put it deeper when suddenly heard a strange noise. The ice split. Scrat ran away as fast as he was able to. He stopped dead as he saw another giant block of ice moving towards him. Scrat caught the acorn and flew on an adventure. His body hit the ground. Scrat was frozen for 20,000 years. He slept with his eyes open. The block of ice washed ashore. Our squirrel woke up. The ice gradually melted. Scrat kept waiting. But unfortunately, the ocean took the acorn away. It stole it from Scrat. Scrat broke the ice and yelled. He lost his acorn one more time. He shook the palm tree and a huge coconut fell from it. The ground cracked in two parts. Scrat became upset as he did it again.